Right guys, this is just a very quick tutorial how to solve a problem with the fuse in the plug when you somewhere in the middle of nowhere and you need desperately to use the plug. I apologize for this dirt coated. Right, so basically this is very straightforward, and normally you always should replace the fuse with the right fuse, which is designed for the lead and for the plug and for the cable. Anyway, this is the solution. You always be able to find a rusty nail somewhere or a piece of wire, and just shove it in there, and that fuse is fixed forever. Again, don't try it at home if you don't know what you're doing, but in case if you have to and there's no other option, then this is a way to do it. If you have the chance to replace it with a decent fuse, always do, but if not, that saves you bacon for the day. Thank you for watching.